let me share with you well-hidden traffic secrets of Facebook. What's up, you guys? My name is Mario and I want to welcome you in Traffic Secret Series episode 11. It's going to be a good one. Let's go. So guys, before we begin, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming episodes. We're going to cover all of them, all 20 secrets that are inside this book. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of them because they're extremely powerful. And so again, just like in Instagram traffic secrets on the previous episode, the first step on Facebook, you need to understand the history and the goal of the platform. Right? So you can align with its goal. So you don't want against, because if you make Mark Zuckerberg angry, mad, he will ban you, right? He will put an end to your very being on Facebook. So make sure that you understand what's our objective and goal as of in every moment you're using the platform, right? So in the beginning, it's adoption. Just like on every platform, right? You want to bring as much people, as much audience to the platform as possible. So I want to share with you this graph. It's very nice, right? So free exposure in the beginning, right? So Mark Zuckerberg wanted to brought as much people as possible on the platform, and so organic reach was huge, right? And it creates addiction. When you get this huge reach, it's addictive because you're feeling like you're famous, right? People are commenting, liking, you get likes, so that's very addictive. And then when Zuckerberg has had enough people, then he slapped his audience, or snap, right? That's how Russell calls it. It's pretty cool. And what that means is that basically he lowered the organic reach and he presented paid exposure, Facebook ads, right? So now if you want to play, you need to pay, so you can play, right? So, and then it's like in the beginning, everyone can advertise and it's easy and there is low cost, right? Pay per click, like you're paying for the click like really low price in the beginning, but then the low brands, like the 80% of the brands that advertise on Facebook cause the headache to Mark Zuckerberg and people at Facebook, right? So he slowly then started removing these these small brands, and there is shift to big brands, because there is always 20-80 rule. 20% of the revenue that comes from Facebook ads to Facebook comes from 20% of the brands of the advertisers, and those do not cause headaches because they understand the platform, they align with the platform. So that was the shift, and you can see it happening in the marketplace right now. There are people complaining like, my Facebook ad account got shut down, can't get can't get it back, and it's like people need to register new Facebook, get new credit card, and sometimes even new laptop, because there are these super cookies, and when people create new account it gets shut down immediately, and this is happening right now. And so that's how it works, you guys, and you need to understand. You can be angry, or you can try to understand what's the goal of the platform, and then you can align with it. You need to follow the rules of advertisement as much as you possibly can, and so you can lower the chance to get banned, right? And you can still get banned because it's like automated, and there are artificial intelligence controls who gets banned and who doesn't. So sometimes there's nothing you can do about it, but if you can lower the chance of being banned, it's great, right? And then Also, you need to see, like in the beginning, you could get a huge reach on Facebook profile, right? Also at Facebook page. But now the goal of the Facebook is to grow Facebook groups, right? And that's basically, so that's where they invest most of their money. And that's why you get, if you build your own group, you have huge reach in that Facebook group. So this is how it works. And yeah, so the step number 2, find your dream 100 on this platform. Just like on Instagram, you want to find them and you want to follow them, observe them, reverse engineer the success, check out what posts are the best performing, right? And just observe your dream 100. And then step number 3 is you want to identify the publishing strategy and create your publishing plan. You need to set always plan in advance, because otherwise you have no idea what you're doing and you will have decision fatigue, like what to do every day. And so your personal profile is your home, right? That's how where you are working your way in Facebook groups, for example. Then you want to get those people onto your Facebook profile. And then your Facebook fan page is your show, right? And that's where you can run ads when you have generated enough cash from organic methods. And then groups are your hangout, where you can hang out with your tribe. And this is the social networking party that you own, right? This is where you can create those relationships with your tribe. And then there is Messenger, that's your distribution channel. So, and this is one of the most powerful distribution channels that you have. Like, you can get messages quickly to your most hyperactive followers. And so, guys, here is like your personal profile, and this is your home, right? Your cover photo. If you want, you can put some call to action on there. Your business, right? Your featured image. Russell has a secret trilogy here, right? So you can put your business here, your online course, or your services, or whatever that you promote or sell. And here is intro. You want to write something about yourself. And profile photo, make sure that you have a smiling picture, right? So people can just seem like you're a nice person and want to help them, right? And then just be that person. And so yeah, on Facebook fan page, you are buying your way in. I'm sure you realize that when you post something on Facebook page, it has very low reach. So I would recommend you to post more regularly on Facebook profile. On Facebook page, it's just when you are sure that it will get better engagement. And also it's for running ads. As of now, it's really just for running ads for the most part. And then your group, you should have your own Facebook group, so you can build your tribe. This is where you have much better reach to your audience, right? So make sure you do that. And the way how you can get people in that group is from other groups in your niche, right? Because there are many Facebook groups that do not care about people inside anymore. So just create your own Facebook group in your niche and create more value, care more about your tribe, and this is the way to succeed, right? And then your messenger strategy, guys, your distribution channel. So this is where you network with people. You basically, what I found the most powerful way to do it is you deliver value inside Facebook groups in your niche. You answer the question that person is looking for to get answered, and then you answer the question, you like it, you like that post, and then you add them as your friend. And when he or she accept the request, then you reach out, right? So, and connect with people, take an interest in them, and if it makes sense, if you have an offer that can improve their business or life, then make them soft offer, right? Do not hardcore sell them right away, just because they will run away. and just like deer when you're trying to hunt it, right? So, and another important thing is you need to grow your messenger list. It's like the open rate and click rate and messenger list is huge. I use ManyChat for this, and it's extremely powerful. And I basically opt people. I'm giving in my Facebook group. I'm giving away free course for you guys. And if you are not in our Facebook group yet, make sure you join. There is a link in the description. And when you will click to get my free course, that will take you to my messenger. You will opt in for my messenger list, right? And then from messenger list, I will take you to my landing page, and then I will also take you to my YouTube. So you have to set up your funnels in a way where you get people to your communication mediums, right? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and this is how it works. And if you want to reverse engineer my process, then just go and check it out. Do go through that process and check it out how it works. And you can steal it, right? Use it for your niche and for your audience because it works really well. And still, even though the open rate is like 80%, clicks rate like 20%, the email list is still more powerful and important. And not more powerful, but more important, because messenger messenger list can disappear, like some policy can change, and Facebook will need to remove the option to mass send emails to the Facebook Messenger, right? So it's good to use it, but do not put like all your efforts into it. Still need to get people onto your email list. And so yeah, here is also, just like on Instagram, there is a Facebook publishing plan right here. So you know how much time you should spend on each activity. And guys, this is powerful. And if you want this Facebook publishing plan, if you haven't got this free book yet, I will put link in the description. It's a free book. You just cover small shipping and handling. In US it's like $9, international is 19, and you will get my bonuses if you get it through my link. And also this is in Russell's bonuses. So even though it may, like, even before your book will be delivered, you will still get these publishing plans on social media platforms in PDFs, right? And there are other cool bonuses from Russell, so make sure to check it out. And yeah, it's a super powerful book, guys. If you have been watching our episodes, I'm sure you realize that. And then there is like step number 4, you work your way in. So you are using those organic strategies that I was sharing with you, right? And then you are buying your way in, right? You want to identify your Dream 100, and then you want to just target them when you're creating Facebook ads, right? So, and then you want to fill your funnel. So, as always, you guys, you need to grab people from Facebook into something that you own, into your email list and into your funnels and into your offers. That's the ultimate goal of all platforms, right? And let me know, guys, below, what's your niche, what are you trying to do. I want to know more about your business, and if you've already created a Facebook group for your tribe, right? Let me know below in the comments, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out upcoming videos if you found this valuable. And now I'm putting playlist right here, so you can click it and go watch other episodes if you missed any of them. They're extremely powerful and will bring tons of value to your business and to your life, right? So go and check it out right now.